Hey guys, welcome to my channel in Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare Samsung Galaxy M30 and Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's start. First of all, we talk about the front camera. M30 has 16 megapixel front camera and Redmi Note 7 Pro has 30 megapixel front camera. Let's talk about the screen. Galaxy M30 has 6.4 inch Full HD AMOLED display and Redmi Note 7 Pro has 6.3 inch Full HD plus IPS display. If I talk about the RAM and storage, both have a same RAM and storage option, 4GB and 6GB in RAM and 64 and 128GB in storage. Next, see the difference in rear camera. Galaxy M30 has triple rear camera, 30 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and other side Redmi Note 7 has dual rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Next, processor and chipset. Galaxy M30 has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Exynos 7904 chipset, and other side Redmi Note 7 Pro has 2 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 675 chipset. Let's see some other features. Samsung Galaxy M30 has Android 8.1 Oreo and Redmi Note Pro 7 has Android 9.0 Pie and both have Bluetooth 5 and 4G. Now talk about the GPU. Samsung Galaxy M30 has Mali G71 MP2 GPU and other side Redmi Note Pro 7 has Adreno 612 GPU and both have a dual SIM. And talk about the fingerprint sensor, both have a fingerprint sensor on the back. Now talk about the battery. Samsung Galaxy M30 has 5000 mAh non-movable battery and fast battery charging also, and other side we will get a 4000 mAh non-movable battery with quick charge 4. Now talk about the price. Galaxy M30 average price is 15,000 in India rupees and 230 in US dollar, and other side Redmi Note 7 Pro has 14,000 starting price in India and $200 in US. Thanks friends for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.